We will never cease to be impressed by the ingenuity of wood professionals. In this video, we have selected atypical wood-based creation for you. Subscribe to not miss our next video. This machine is very satisfying to watch. I would love to have someone in my house. This is a very hard method of making paper. It must have been a great invention at the time. This man is highly respected for his immense talent. He makes magnificent portraits by gluing wooden sticks on top of each other. It's amazing what he does. You will love this savoring tray made from wood, epoxy resin and coffee beans. Who wouldn't love to have their meal served on this beautiful platter? This door handle is a rare piece. The whole mechanism is made from wood. Incredible. Look at this table with an integrated induction charger, a pure blend of wood and technology. Thank you for following us. See you very soon for a new program on your favorite TrendyLand channel. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.